Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo ang properties of parallelograms. So kung gusto niyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time ay ituturo ko naman sa inyo ang properties of parallelograms. So, meron na akong previous video about introduction and properties of quadrilaterals kung saan ay diniscuss natin yung different terminologies at parts ng general quadrilaterals natin. So, kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, isililink ko na lang para ma-check nyo kasi gagamitin natin yung mga concepts na yun dito sa pag-describe sa properties of parallelograms. Okay? So, dun din sa video na yon sa introduction sa quadrilaterals, sinabi ko yung iba't ibang types ng quadrilateral. So, meron tayong square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid. So, ngayon is mag-start tayo sa pag-discuss ng properties ng parallelograms. Okay? So, ano ba ang parallelogram? So, define natin. So, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel to each other. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-definition natin ng parallelogram. Dapat yung two pairs of opposite sides ay parallel. So, let's say meron tayong quadrilateral ABCD. So, para maging parallelogram itong quadrilateral ABCD, dapat yung pairs of opposite sides ay parallel. So, alam naman natin mag-identify ng opposite sides dun sa previous video ko, right? So, opposite sides natin is dalawang pair. Itong AB, tsaka DC. Kasi magkatapat sila. As well as itong AD and BC. Magkatapat din sila. Right? So, dapat itong pair na to, itong AB and DC, parallel sa isa't isa. At itong pair AD tsaka BC ay parallel din sa isa't isa para masabi natin na itong quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin nating definition para mag-prove na yung isang quadrilateral is parallelogram. Dapat ma-prove natin na yung both pairs of opposite sides ay parallel. Okay? So, ngayon ay dumako naman tayo sa properties or theorems of parallelograms. So, una, sabi, each diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So, di ba meron tayong mabubuong dalawang diagonal sa isang quadrilateral. So, sabi, kapag nag-draw tayo ng diagonal, is i-divide nung diagonal na yon yung parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So, let's say, given quadrilateral ABCD, which is a parallelogram, with diagonal AC. So, ito munang AC yung pinakita natin. I-divide nitong diagonal AC itong quadrilateral ABCD or parallelogram ABCD into two congruent triangles, which is itong triangle ABC tsaka triangle CTA. So, congruent yung dalawang triangles na yun. Same as kapag yung dinraw naman nating diagonal is itong BD. Okay, so madi-divide din itong quadrilateral ABCD into two congruent triangles na this time, triangle ABD, ito, tsaka triangle CDB. So, yun yung first property. Next, opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. So, kanina, diniscuss natin na yung opposite sides, yung two pairs of opposite sides ng parallelogram ay parallel. So, base dito sa property 2, dapat congruent din yung pairs of opposite sides. So, given again, parallelogram ABCD, so, itong AB tsaka DC, opposite sides, dapat congruent. Okay? As well as yung another pair, AD tsaka BC, opposite sides, dapat congruent din. Okay? Next, we have the third property, opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Okay, so, given again this parallelogram ABCD, so this time, yung opposite angles naman daw ay congruent. So, meron din tayong two pairs of opposite angles sa parallelogram or quadrilateral. So, itong angle A, tsaka angle C, one pair of opposite angles, and angle D, and angle B. Another pair of opposite angles. So, base dito sa third property, dapat congruent yon. So, angle A must be congruent to angle C, and angle D must be congruent to angle B. Kasi opposite angles sila. Okay? Next, any two consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So, this time, consecutive angles naman daw ay supplementary. So, ibig sabihin, given this parallelogram ABCD again, so alam natin na meron tayong 4 pairs of consecutive angles base dun sa video ko about introduction to quadrilateral. So, ano yon? Itong apat na to. So, angle A, tsaka angle D, consecutive, angle D, and angle C, consecutive, angle C, and angle B then consecutive, and angle B, and angle A. So, dahil consecutive angle sila, base dito sa fourth property ng parallelogram, dapat supplementary sila. So, lahat ng sum nila is 180. Okay, so another property yon ng parallelogram. Next is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, ibig sabihin, kapag dinraw natin yung dalawang diagonal sa isang parallelogram, nagbabisect sila sa isa't isa. O yung point of intersection nila is the midpoint of each diagonal. So, ibig sabihin, illustrate natin dito sa given parallelogram ABCD. So, dinraw natin yung diagonals AC, tsaka yung diagonals BD, intersecting at point O. So, dahil diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, dapat itong AO is congruent sa CO. And itong DO, congruent naman sa BO. So, binabisect o hinahati equally nung diagonals yung isa't isa at their point of intersection. Okay? So, para ma-illustrate natin yung iba't ibang properties ng parallelograms ay mag-solve tayo ng examples. For the first one, we have find the value of x and y for parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so meron daw tayong parallelogram ABCD. So, meron tayong dimensions yung sa side AD 15, side AB 42. Tapos, meron tayong variables XY doon sa side BC tsaka sa side BC. So, 4x plus y tsaka 3x minus 2. So, solve for x at y. So, base dun sa property ng parallelogram, pwede tayong bumuo ng equation. Kasi, meron tayong given na lengths ng sides, right? So, di ba alam natin na yung opposite sides ng parallelogram ay congruent or equal yung lengths nila. So, pwede natin i-equate itong AD sa BC. So, we have, so BC muna, 3x minus 2y is equal to 15. Okay? One equation. Then, yung another pair of opposite sides is itong AB equal to DC, right? So, therefore, pag sinulat natin yung equation, AB is 42, equal siya sa DC na 4x plus y. So, equation 2. So, meron tayong two equations in two unknowns x at y. So, solve lang natin tong equations na to for x at y using algebra. So, gamit na lang tayo ng elimination. So, multiply ko tong equation 2 by 2 para makancel natin si y. So, magiging distribute si 2, 8x plus 2y equals 84. Right? And then, saka natin i-add yung equation 1 dito sa bagong equation, let's say equation 3. So, 3x plus 8x is 11x. Then, negative 2y plus 2y cancel equals 15 plus 84 is 99. So, divide both sides by 11. X is equal to 99 divided by 11 or 9. So, therefore, x is 9. So, para ma-solve natin si y, gamit tayo ng equation 2. So, substitute natin yung x na 9 nakuha natin. So, 4 times x or 4 times 9 plus y equals 42. So, 36 plus y equals 42. Y is equal to, transpose 36, 42 minus 36. So, y is equal to 6. So, therefore, the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 6. Okay? Next, we have find the lengths of the diagonals of parallelogram DEFG. Okay, so meron daw tayong parallelogram DEFG na hanapan natin yung lengths ng diagonals. Kasi yung lengths ng diagonals is variables. So, meron tayong variables y tsaka x. So, tulad dun sa first example, para mahanap natin yung pinaka-lengths ng diagonal is, buo muna tayo ng equation in terms of the variables x at y, base din dun sa properties ng parallelogram. So, since given tayo ng mga lengths ng diagonals, so apply natin yung property ng parallelogram na diagonals bisect each other. So, ibig sabihin, itong DO, congruent dito sa FO. So, DO is equal to FO. So, in terms of the lengths in variable y, we have DO is y plus 3 equal to FO 2y minus 9. So, solve ngayon natin tong equation for y. So, transpose ko dito si y, transpose ko dito si negative 9. So, 3 plus 9 is equal to 2y minus y. So, we have 3 plus 9 is equal to 12 equals 2y minus y or y. So, therefore, y is 12. So, para makuha natin yung actual length nitong DF, yung diagonal DF, substitute lang natin yung value ng y. So, for DO, y plus 3, right? So, DO is equal to y, which is, nakuha natin 12 plus 3. So, 12 plus 3 or 15. So, si FO, dapat 15 din, kasi diagonal bisect each other, right? Or pag sinubstitute nyo yung y dito sa 2y minus 9, so, 2 times 12 minus 9, so, equal din siya sa 15, right? So, yung total diagonal DF is DO plus FO or 15 plus 15, DF is 30. Right? And para naman dito sa diagonal GE, so apply din natin yung property na EO is congruent to GO. So, EO is equal to GO. So, EO is 2x plus 1, right? Then, GO is 4x minus 39. So, solve natin muna itong equation for x. Transpose ko si 2x, transpose ko si negative 39. So, 1 plus 39 is equal to 4x minus 2x. So, 1 plus 39, 40 equals 4x minus 2x is 2x. Divide both sides by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20 equals cancel si 2, x is 20. So, solve ngayon natin itong EO, which is 2x plus 1. So, substitute natin yung x na 20 plus 1. So, 2 times 20 plus 1 is 41. So, dapat ganun din si GO, which is 4x. Substitute natin yung x na 20 minus 39. 4 times 20 minus 39 is 41 din. So, therefore, yung total length ng diagonal GE is GO plus EO, which is 41 plus 41 or 82. Okay? Next, we have find the value of all the angles of parallelogram WXYZ. Okay, so this time, given naman daw parallelogram WXYZ, hanapin natin yung values ng lahat ng angles. So, meron tayong 4 interior angles, right? Angle W, angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. So, in terms of variable din yung ating mga angles. So, buo tayo ng equation. So, apply natin yung property ng parallelogram na sa interior angles nila, meron tayong 2 cases, right? Opposite angles are congruent and consecutive angles are supplementary. So, pwede natin gawin is buo tayong equation nito sa angle Z tsaka sa angle X. Opposite angles sila, right? So, therefore, angle Z is equal to angle X or congruent, right? So, equate natin yung value in terms of measurement doon sa variables. So, angle Z is 3x plus 5 equal angle X is 2x plus y. So, equation 1. Then, buo pa tayong isa kasi dalawa yung ano natin. So, try naman natin yung consecutive angles na angle X saka angle Y. So, di ba, meron tayong property na consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. So, we have measurement of angle Y plus measurement of angle X should be 180 degree. So, substitute natin yung value. Yung angle Y is 6x plus Y plus yung angle X is 2x plus Y equal dapat sa 180. So, simplify lang natin na 6x plus 2x is 8x, y plus y is 2y equals 180. Okay, so meron tayong 2 equation, right? So, ngayon, solve natin to simultaneously for x at y. Let's say, sige, substitution. So, solve ko yung y in terms of x sa equation 1, transpose ko si 2x. So, 3x plus 5 minus 2x is equal to y. So, 3x minus 2x is x plus 5 equals y. Ngayon, substitute ko tong y na to in terms of x ito sa equation 2. So, 8x plus 2 times y in terms of x is x plus 5 equals 180. So, 8x plus, distribute si 2, 2x plus 10 equals 180. 8x plus 2x is 10x plus 10 equals 180. So, 10x transpose si 10 equals 180 minus 10. 10x equals 180 minus 10, 170. divide both sides by 10. X is 170 divided by 10 or 17. So, para ma-solve si y, substitute natin yung x dito. So, 17 plus 5 is equal to y or 22 is equal to y. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung actual length, substitute natin. So, dito muna tayo sa angle Z. So, 3x plus 5, right? Eh, yung nakuha nating x is 17. So, 3 times 17 plus 5 is what? 56. Okay? So, therefore, angle C is 56. And then, dito naman sa angle Y, so, 6 times x, so 17 plus y. Nakuha nating y is what? 22. So, 6 times 17 plus 22 is what? 124. So, itong angle y is 124. So, obviously, pwede natin i-apply yung property na opposite angles are congruent. So, angle W should be equal to angle Y. So, 124 degree din. Then, itong angle X opposite sa angle Z. So, dapat equal din sa 56 degree. Okay? So, therefore, nakuha na natin yung lahat ng angles ng parallelogram. Next, we have find the value of X and Y for parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so this time, meron ulit tayong parallelogram ABCD, tapos meron tayong value dun sa mga angle. So, meron tayong angles na to, 4. So, 20 minus 2y, 3x, 26 minus 4y, tsaka 5x. So, solve daw natin yung x at y. So, base dun sa property natin doon sa parallelogram, diba yung diagonal na to, yung AC, is i-divide niya itong parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So, namely, itong triangle ADC congruent sa triangle CBA, right? So, therefore, by CPCTC, so congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent, pwede natin i-equate itong angle DCA, congruent siya sa angle BAC, right? So, itong angle na to, yung DCA, congruent dito sa angle na to. So, equate natin yung value in terms of variable. 5x is equal to 20 minus 2y. Equation 1. Then, pwede rin, by CPCTC, angle DAC is congruent to angle BCA. So, itong angle na to, congruent sa angle na to. Okay? So, in terms of variable, we have 3x is equal to 26 minus 4y. Equation 2. So, again, meron ulit tayong system of equations in two unknowns. Sulat lang natin in standard form. So, transpose ko tong 2y. So, 5x plus 2y equals 20. And then, transpose ko rin itong 4y. 3x plus 4y equals 26. So, try natin i-solve by elimination method. So, multiply ko tong equation 1 by negative 2 para makancel si y. So, distribute si negative 2. So, negative 10x minus 4y equals negative 40. Then, tsaka natin i-add dito sa 3x plus 4y equals 26. So, add natin, negative 10x plus 3x is negative 7x. Then, negative 4y plus 4y cancel equals negative 40 plus 26 is negative 14. Divide both sides by negative 7. X is equal to negative 14 divided by negative 7 or positive 2. So, therefore, x is 2. Para masolve natin si y, gamit tayo ng isang equation. Let's say, equation 2 na lang. Substitute natin yung x na 2. So, 3 times x, which is 2, plus 4y equals 26. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4y equals 26. Transpose si 6, 4y is equal to 26, minus 6, 4y is equal to 26 minus 6 is 20. Divide both sides by 4. Y is 20 divided by 4 or 5. So, therefore, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 5. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Properties of parallelograms. So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.